According to manufacturers, tankless water heaters should be descaled at least once a year to keep them working correctly and extend their lifespan. This annual service removes mineral deposits from the heat exchanger and other working parts. And this is what the process looks like. Skipping this process is kind of like brushing your teeth once a week. You're not going to have cavities right away, but eventually, you're going to have some real expensive problems. So let us help you keep your water heater working like it should.